For the festive meals, everyone likes to find some special dishes that can remind us of the years gone by. The Seafood Bouchées à la Reine are part of it. Start by preparing the broth. For that, we need the juice of mussels. Cook them with a lid over medium heat for 6 minutes. Stir from time to time. Once open, cut the fire. Filter the juice. Cut the onions into chunks. Put them in the saucepan with the mussel's juice. Crush the garlic cloves. Also cut the tomato into chunks. Do the same with half a pepper. Cut the parsley into sections. Remove the shrimp head and peel them. Put their heads and skin in the mortar. Crush them. Put them in the broth saucepan. Add some pepper and 80 centiliters of water. Mix and put a lid. Simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the stuffing. Cut the fish into chunks. As well as the mushrooms. Cut the quenelle into thick slices. Remove the mussel shells. The broth is ready. Filter 50 centiliters. Taste it. If necessary, add some salt and combine. Now, prepare 6 vol au vent. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Beat 1 egg that will serve as glue and glaze. Roll out a puff pastry. Give it a thickness of about 5 millimeters. Divide it into 18 discs of 10 centimeters of diameter. To reuse the rest of the dough, fold it like this. At the center of 6 discs, remove the disc of 7 cm of diameter to obtain rings. In the center of 6 other discs, cut a disc of 7 cm of diameter and leave it in place. Brush the edge of 6 full discs with the egg. Put the rings on. Slightly press. Brush the rings. Put over the notch discs. Press again slightly on the edge. Glaze all the surface. Make decorative motifs. Make some holes in the center so that the vol-au-vent inflates uniformly. Use a baking dish with a thick bottom. It will prevent the basis of the vol-au-vent from burning. Put the parchment paper. Bake the vol-au-vent for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now we can cook the stuffing. Put a dash of olive oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Cook them for 5 minutes. Stir from time to time. Put 30 grams of butter in a pan over medium heat. Cook the pieces of fish for 1 minute each side. Do the same with the scallops. Take out the vol-au-vent from the oven. Now prepare the bechamel sauce. Put 50 grams of butter in a pan over medium heat. When it melts, add the flour. Stir for 3 minutes. The mixture should become slightly brown. Add the broth and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. The sauce becomes creamy. Then add the quenelle, the mussels, the shrimp, the mushrooms, the fish, the scallops. Gently stir. As soon as the first boils appear, cut the fine. Remove the center of each vol-au-vent. And generously fill them. In this dish, pay attention to the broth, because it gives the flavors to the sauce. The other pleasure to eating bouchées à la Reine comes from a homemade puff pastry. Its flavors and consistency are incomparable. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and bon appétit!